Hello everyone, today we're reviewing the Neutrogena Hair Restore Advanced Growth Support Serum, a dermatologist-designed scalp serum that promises to reduce shedding, nourish the scalp, and improve visible hair density. But does it actually work? Let's break it down. So this serum is part of Neutrogena's new Hair Restore line, formulated with micropeptides, caffeine, niacinamide, arginine, and hydrolyzed collagen to help activate the scalp, nourish roots, and reduce breakage-related shedding. Neutrogena says its peptides are tiny enough to penetrate 10 surface layers deep and support visible density when paired with the shampoo and conditioner. Ingredients like caffeine and peptides have some evidence in hair care science for improving circulation and promoting a healthier scalp environment, but they're not a clinically proven cure for hair loss or baldness on their own. True regrowth typically requires FDA-approved actives like minoxidil or prescription treatments. User-shared reviews show mixed experiences. Some report less breakage and a fuller look after consistent use, while others say results are subtle or take a long time to show up. Available feedback varies by individual hair type and consistency. Some of its pros: it has a lightweight, non-greasy formula for reducing breakage and scalp nourishment. Works well with the full hair restore routine. However, it's not a guaranteed hair regrowth support. Best results require consistent use over weeks and not as powerful as medical-grade hair loss treatments. The bottom line: the Neutrogena Hair Restore Serum can help improve scalp health, reduce shedding, and make hair look fuller, especially when used with the hair restored shampoo and conditioner. But it isn't a miracle regrowth serum. For significant hair loss, consider talking to a dermatologist about proven medical options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.